quality assured from grain to bowl. Enjoy your instant meal.
Stop on mark. Weight locked. It's time 6. Raw material has been received. Initiating preliminary cleaning sequence.
Magnetic separator scan complete. No metallic contaminants detected.
Compressed air pump activated. Transferring the grain level to the storage silo. Wheat moisture level meets the 13.5% standard.
Initiating the air wash phase. Removing fine dust and surface impurities.
Dosing valve opens. Commencing final water washing phase. Cold air activated. Completing surface drying of the wheat, ready for the milling process.
The flour milling hall. The raw material transformation process is initiated.
The flour milling hall. The system is operating at 100% capacity. Structural breakdown of the grain is commencing.
The coarse flour is fed into the multi-layer sifter. The grain is being separated into bran and fine flour.
The coarse portion is automatically rerouted. Regrinding to maximize extraction yield.
Final metal detection check complete. Preparing for the flour blending process. Microscopic impurity has been automatically rejected. The fault procedure was successful.
Flour dispensing system has reached 100%. Ready for protein ratio blending process.
Laser sensor monitoring airborne flour density, ensuring optimal blending environment. The automated discharge valve has opened. Flour is being routed to the mixing tank for kneading. "30 flour batches are ready for mixing." Automated systems ensure continuous batch control.
Grinding data is optimal. Roller temperature stable at 35 degrees Celsius. Grain quality is uniform.
Mechanical vibration check completed. All parameters are within the acceptable range.
Standardized flour has been transferred to the kneading area. The noodle formation stage begins now. Water is precisely metered. Hydration level initiation begins at 30%. Kneading blades activated. Gluten development process is beginning.
The kneading process is complete. The dough has achieved the required elasticity and moisture content.
First course sheeting. The dough is pressed into a thick slab, eliminating excess air. The dough ribbon is continuously rolled, ensuring perfect uniformity before the final thickness reduction.
Edge cutters are calibrated, ensuring 100% uniform dough ribbon width. Laser sensor confirms dough sheet thickness is 0.80 millimeters. Absolute uniformity achieved. The corrugated cutter is activated, forming the standard wavy ramen noodle structure. Noodle strands are compressed into a square block. Size and density confirmed at 100%. Entering the preliminary steaming zone.
Start. Entering the primary steaming chamber, 100 degrees Celsius. Maintaining perfect noodle structure. Temperature gauge reads 100 degrees Celsius. Steaming standard is confirmed and maintained. Exhaust fans active. Excess steam pressure is drawn out to maintain precise cooking environment. Steaming cycle complete. The structural integrity of the noodle blocks is now set. Vibratory shaper activated. Final check to ensure optimal wavy noodle structure for frying. Area humidity extracted, ensuring optimal low moisture content for the deep frying process. Noodle blocks entering the deep frying preparation zone. Final checks before oil immersion. Contact sensor confirms target surface dryness. Moisture levels meet oil bath safety protocols. Blocks enter the pre-fry ramp. Oil immersion is imminent.
Block immersion initiated. Deep frying cycle commencing. Frying sequence is under complete thermal control. The core structure is being dehydrated and finalized.
Frying temperature stable at 170 degrees Celsius. Core moisture is rapidly reduced.
Oil circulation system at peak performance, ensuring thermal equilibrium throughout the bath.
Oil circulation confirmed. Thermal uniformity is ensured through continuous bottom-to-top flow.
Frying cycle complete. Hold down grate released. Buoyancy confirms finished dehydration. Frying rack is lifted. Oil draining sequence initiated.
Forced air stripping activated. Remaining oil mist is recovered for process efficiency. Blocks enter the cooling tunnel. Cold air at 10 degrees Celsius for final structure stabilization.
Blocks traverse the 15-meter cooling line, ensuring optimal internal temperature for packaging.
Automated rejection. Color deviation detected.
Automated weigh cell confirms block mass. Standard weight is achieved.
Product stream split into 4 parallel packaging lines. Maximize throughput efficiency.
Acoustic check confirms optimal crispness and structural set. Ready for packaging. Packaging film deployed at maximum speed. Wrapping process is commencing.
The final instant noodle block is enclosed, transitioning to quality control and distribution.
Seasoning powder is mixed for uniform composition, ensuring flavor consistency across all batches.
Automated counter dispenses seasoning. Quantity precisely measured for each individual packet. Noodle block is positioned. Final components are gathered for enclosure. Heat sealing jaws engaged. Packaging edges are fused for hermetic seal integrity. Final packages are grouped. Commencing automated carton loading. Adhesive tape applied to the bottom seam, ensuring total structural integrity for transport. Date code verified. Expiration date 2025 is clear and non-smudging. Quality documentation complete. Final cartons transferred to the palletizing zone. Automated stacking sequence commencing. Pallet rotates 90 degrees. Interlocking pattern established for maximum stacking stability. Final barcode scanned. pallet registered and cleared for warehouse transfer.
Production cycle complete. Finished goods are secured for delivery. Quality is assured.
Quality assured from grain to bowl. Enjoy your instant meal.